Would you like to meet in person and actually talk through your Etsy shop, your struggles, and get that in-person hands-on guidance? Well, this fall, October 10th and 11th, we are meeting at the first ever Ultimate Etsy Summit in Orlando, Florida, and you are invited. Yes, you are invited to the summit in person, and it is going to be with myself, my team, our coaches, and our amazing guest speakers. It's going to be 2 days packed with learning and education and growth for your Etsy shop. We'll have special trainings just for you on targeting profitable customers, building out your product mix, pricing strategies, social media strategies, how to get traction and how to scale, and how to build a premium brand that actually stands out in search results. You will not only hear from speakers, but you will also get one-on-one attention and the ability to ask questions. You'll also get to connect with other Etsy sellers both at your level and far and beyond where you're currently at. We're bringing together this community in one place. So if you feel like you are looking for that one-on-one guidance and you're looking to level up your Etsy shop, then this summit is for you. And this will include a special VIP social night with myself and my team. Now, the spots are limited at this venue, so first come, first serve, and we fully expect this to sell out pretty quickly. So if you're feeling like you need a good reset or maybe a big push forward in your business to accelerate your results, definitely come to the Ultimate Etsy Summit, and I cannot wait to see you there. We will be linking all of the details to RSVP and get your ticket in the description here. And if you are not currently in our student ecosystem, we will be scheduling a 15-minute call with you before the event to learn more about your business and the challenges that you're currently facing. And we want you to leave this event with clear action steps forward in your business to get unstuck and to get to new levels that you never thought were possible. All right, I will see you guys in Orlando.